Here's how to create a Claude AI account. Go to Claude AI. You can find the link in the video description. To create your Claude AI account, you can enter your email address or register using Google account. In this video, I'll sign up using a Google account. Enter your full name, username, check these two boxes, then click Continue. Enter your phone number to verify your account. Click on the flag to change to your country. Enter the verification code that was sent to your phone. Then click Verify Code. Now, click Next. 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 Then Finish. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Claude AI account. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Let's Not Waste Time. For more useful Claude AI tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Claude AI tutorials.